Okay, guys, here we go. Last video for this section. We've got 4 more problems to do, and then we're out of here. So, first, number 9. This is a function that's split into 2 pieces, right? So we just gotta figure out how to graph this thing like this. Like we're gonna write it into 2 pieces. And we do this one-sided fancy curly bracket to show the 2 pieces, and then we're gonna say what is the equation for this line that goes there, and then what is the equation for this line. And then we say where we want the first line to be defined, which is everything up until 1, 2, 3, right? Because that's where it changes. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's 2. That's a 2. X was 2. X is 2. So up into 2, and then the second one for x greater than or equal to 2. Now, in this particular case, since they coincide, you can take your pick which one you want to make equal to or greater than, which side you want to attach the equal sign to. It doesn't matter, but you do need to pick one so that you make sure you got a filled in circle. Okay, so what's the equation for this line? Easy, you got an intercept right there at 1, and this is a slope of 1, right? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that's just equal, y equals 1x plus 1. Okay, let's do some color coordination here. And let's also follow the format. You don't need the y equals part actually, because this is like the y equals part. So you just need 1x plus 1 for x less than or equal to 2. Now for the second half of the line, this blue portion, now you have a different line. Let's see. Okay, you got to figure out the equation for this line. You have a point right here, and you just got to figure out the slope between these. So what is this? 1, 2, 3 down, and 1 over, and that means slope is negative 3, right? Let's do the little side note. What I'm going to use is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And then I could just figure out my equation from there. Plug in the slope I just figured out and plug in this point that I just figured out. I'm looking at right there. So what is the point? The y1 is 0. And the slope I just figured out was negative 3. Right? 1, 2, 3, 1. Yep. Negative 3. And this is x minus 3. Y minus 0 is just y. So I got y equals to negative 3. And then distribute that 3, negative 3x plus 9. Does that match up? Yeah, that match up. That'll be 9 right there. Okay, so here's my equation, right? But I'm only going to need this right-hand portion, and that's the equation that I input right there. Guess that's my first piecewise function. Easy, done. Okay, next question. So again, start off f of x or g of x, whatever, h of x. I've got 3 pieces this time. And what are my transition values? So for x less than, and if you see this have an open hole, so it's going to be strictly less than negative 2. You got something for x that is between negative 2, including negative 2, and up until you hit positive 2. And then for x bigger than or equal to 2. And notice where I have the equal signs. If it's an open circle, I don't have the equal sign. If it's a closed circle, I do have the equal sign underneath the inequality. Okay, now we just got to figure out equations for our lines. This one's got a slope of 2. Yeah. And 2 over be this, 2 over be this. So that has an intercept of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in here, the intercept is 6. Slope was 2. So that's for this first portion. It's going to be, the line is y is equal to 2x plus 6, right? But again, remember, I don't need this y equal part because that's taken care of in the front end. Okay, second part of the line will be this part that I circled in blue just now. It's constant, right? And it's y equals to x. What is the x here? I mean x y is equal to whatever the y value is, which is 4, right? Y is always 4. So this is y equal to 4. But again, you don't need the y equal part because you have that taken care of on the left. So it's just 4. For x between -2 and +2, you just output 4. Okay, what about the last portion, this purple portion? Okay, so we have a slope of -1, intercept of +3. So it's y equals to -x plus 3. And again, take out this y equals the portion of the line. There it is. Okay, number 11. We got two pieces. They coincide here. So this looks like, I'm just going to choose g of x for no particular reason this time. You can pick whatever name you want. You could stick to f of x. And first portion is from -infinity up until +2. So for x less than, this is a less than 2. And then this one's going to be for x bigger than or equal to 2. Again, just pick one or the other to have that the equal sign on the bottom, but not both. Okay, what is this first equation? Intercept at 3. The slope is 1, 2, 3 down, 4 down, 1, 2. Looks like -2, yeah? -1, 2 here, 1, 2 there. Yeah. So -2 slope. Intercept at 3. I'm not gonna write that y equals part this time. I'm just gonna jump straight to the answer. Okay, second line was to continue this. It would intercept at -2, 1 there, and looks like a slope of a half. So slope of a half, 1/2 x minus 2. The intercept was -2. Okay, last one. Last one looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 4 pieces. What the heck is that? Is that an F or is that a delta? Or a row or something? I don't know. Try that again. F of x. And I got 4 pieces this time, so make a nice big bracket. First line is from -infinity up until -2. So that should be for x less than -2. And then the next piece is from -2 to 0. So for x between, and this, I picked the open one, so next time make sure I have one or the other being closed. Less than 0. And then next piece will be from 0 to 2. So from x between 0 and 2. And then last one for x bigger than or equal to 2. And so make sure at each boundary you got one of them covered or the other covered. So this one is less than 2, then this one's got to be greater than or equal to 2. This one's less than 0, this is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, first piece of the graph. This one looks like slope of -1. Oh no, is that -1? Let's see, it's going down 3 and over 2. Oh, okay, -3 halves, yeah? So -3 halves. Did I count right? 3 and 2, yeah. -3 halves x. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 would be -3, yeah? Yeah, -3 would be the intercept. So -3. Okay, we'll do the next part in blue, this part. Intercept is easy. It's already at 3. Slope is 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So +3 halves. +3. 3 is intercept, yeah? Next one, again, -1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So -3 halves again. This will be the purple one. Intercept of 3. Okay, and then lastly, we'll do this green color from here onwards, yeah? This one, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So this one again is a +3 halves x. Intercept would be -3. Okay. And that's it, guys. I just want to match up the portions. So that's this first portion. That's this second portion here. Next is purple. That's this portion here. And then lastly is that green color right here. Oh, that made it worse. Okay. There it is, guys. Okay, thank you for sticking with me. I know this is a little bit of a long section, so thank you. Have a great day and good luck with the homework.